In this video, I will show you how to sign in to Wells Fargo Online Banking. So for that, simply click on the web browser of your choice. Now go to wellsfargo.com. Click on this URL. Now at the top you can see sign in button right beside menu. Click on it. If you already have an account, you can put in your username, your password, then simply click on sign in. Or you can use the passkey to sign in. In case you forgot your username or password, you can simply click on forgot username and password. Or if you have not created an account here yet, what you can do is click on this three lines menu in the top right corner. Here you can see the enroll button right beside in the corner. Click on it. From here, put in your details, SSN or ITIN. Then continue the process. Put in your date of birth and all the other information that it asks you. Then simply click on enroll now. Then you will be able to enroll into it. Then you can go back to the Wells Fargo homepage, put in your username, your password, then you can sign in. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.